If you want to add numbers in Tinkercad, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you 2 simple ways to add numbers as 3D objects inside your design, so you can create labels, signs, classroom projects, nameplates, or any custom model that needs digits. This is one of those Tinkercad skills that looks simple at first, but once you know it, it saves a lot of time and gives you much more control over your designs. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, make sure you're in Tinkercad and working in the 3D design area. Once your workplane is open, look to the right side of the screen where the Shapes panel is located. This is where all your basic objects and special shape collections are stored. If you want the fastest and easiest method, start with the text shape. To do that, stay in Basic Shapes, then find the red text shape in the list and drag it directly onto your workplane. As soon as you place it, Tinkercad will open the Shape Inspector panel. This is where you can customize the text. Click inside the text field and type the number or numbers you want to add. For example, you can type 1, 24, 2026, or any number sequence you need. This method is great because it lets you create a complete number in one object, instead of placing each digit separately. After entering your number, you can fine-tune the design using the available sliders. You can adjust the height to make the number taller or shorter, change the bevel to create smoother or sharper edges, and modify the segments if you want the text to look cleaner and rounded. These settings are especially useful if you're preparing your design for 3D printing, because they affect both appearance and print quality. If you need a number that's larger, smaller, or easier to position, you can simply click and drag the handles on the shape to resize it. You can also rotate it and move it anywhere on your workplane. This gives you full control over how your number fits into the rest of your model. Now, let's move on to the second method, which is the numbers collection. This option is useful if you want each digit as a separate 3D object. To find it, go back to the Shapes panel and click the drop-down menu at the top, where it usually says Basic Shapes. Open that menu and switch to Design Starters. Inside Design Starters, you'll find a Numbers subcategory. Click on that, and you'll see individual number models from 0 through 9. Now you can drag and drop each number onto the workplane one at a time. This is helpful if you want complete control over spacing, sizing, and color for every digit. For example, if you're making a house number sign, you might want the 1, 2, and 3 as separate objects, so you can position them neatly and make them different colors. That's something the text shape can't do as easily, because it treats the whole number as one object. With the numbers collection, you can build the exact combination you want and adjust each digit individually. If you want to make your design look more polished, try aligning the numbers carefully and checking the spacing between them. You can use Tinkercad's alignment tools or just position them manually until they look balanced. And if you're planning to export your design for printing, make sure the numbers are thick enough to print well and not too thin to break easily. So, to quickly recap, if you want the easiest way to add numbers in Tinkercad, use the text shape and type in the numbers you need. If you want each digit separately for more customization, go to Design Starters and use the numbers collection. Both methods are simple, beginner-friendly, and perfect for a wide range of projects. If this tutorial helps you learn how to add numbers in Tinkercad, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Tinkercad tips, design tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.